Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Take this Botany Bay weevil. She's totally harmless. Actually, she's a bit of a scaredy bug. First hint of danger, and she's like, nope. Is she all right? It's okay. She's only playing dead. Till the coast is clear. A little overdramatic, but better safe than sorry. No use playing dead. It's time to fly. Head for higher ground. Extend flaps. Raise landing gear. And... let's try that again. Come on, scaredy bug. This could be your last chance. You can do this. Up in the trees. Scaredy bug, you made it. Good to see she's doing her bit for the weevil population. All right, little privacy, please.